Teenagers and parents of teenagers will often ask, should I have my wisdom teeth out? When should I have my wisdom teeth out? Or we also hear, should I wait until my wisdom teeth come in and see if they can be maintained, or should I get them out now? This can be a difficult question to give a simple answer to, as there are a lot of factors that affect whether you need to get them out or not. Today, we'll talk about all these things related to wisdom teeth, and hopefully we will get to address some of the concerns you've had, and also answer the questions you've had about your wisdom teeth.
Hello, I'm Dr. William Park with Bless Smile and Smile on You Dentistry.
In this video, we will talk about if it's a good idea to take your wisdom teeth out, when it's the best time to get them out, and we will go over my recommendations for you about your wisdom teeth. So again, this is a very difficult question to give a simple answer to. But my experience has been that more often than not, leaving in the wisdom teeth often cause a lot more harm than they do good for you. This is especially the case when there is some form of impaction of the wisdom tooth. This means that they are having trouble growing into the proper location, and very often they can be trapped by another tooth, and so it cannot grow into its proper location. Over time, this often does result in damage to the other tooth as well. And if this gets to a certain extent, we not only need to remove the wisdom tooth, but also the tooth that it has caused damage to. There are other situations that the wisdom teeth just partially grow in. In these circumstances, very often just the very tips of the tooth will poke through your gums, and then it will just completely stop growing there with just the tips poking through the gums. This can cause a lot of infection over time, as a lot of the bacteria that is in our mouth can get around that tooth that is exposed, and it can be also very difficult to clean this area. Over time, this will result in a pretty significant infection. Even when the wisdom teeth do grow up into the proper location, they are just so far back in the mouth that very often patients just have a very difficult time keeping them clean. So even if they've come out nice and straight, over time they do grow some big cavities in them, and very often they do need to be removed later in life because of the decay that has developed, or very often it will even become an infection or abscess. I am of the opinion that for most patients, it is a good idea to get them removed at a younger age. Of course, this recommendation does vary case by case, and every dentist does have their own preference about this. We usually do suggest that around 14, 15 years old is a good time to come in for an evaluation. And then from there, depending on the case, around the late teens, early 20s is a great time to have them removed. When we are waiting until the 40s, 50s, 60s to have these wisdom teeth removed, it will take longer for the area to heal. And for this reason, this is why I recommend most patients to have them removed while they are younger. If you would like to know whether you need to get your wisdom teeth out or not, you should schedule an appointment with your dentist. They will take an x-ray of the area and evaluate the situation, and then they can give you some guidance on whether you need to get them removed and when the best time is going to be for that. So I hope this video answered a lot of the questions you've had about your wisdom teeth. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about anything, or you have something you'd like to tell me, or maybe you want to tell me that you plan to get your wisdom teeth removed, make sure to leave them down in the comments. If you're in the Orange County area and you would like some more information about your wisdom teeth, we would love to have you come in for a consultation. You can find us at smileonyudentistry.com. Thank you for watching.